How to log out Facebook from all devices. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out Facebook from all devices. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Facebook app, and then once you're in your Facebook app, tap on the three lines or your profile picture in the top right side. If you are using an iOS device, the three lines will be here in the bottom right side. Then here scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Then here scroll down, tap on security and login. Then here you will see where you are logged in. So tap on see all. So these are all the devices on which your Facebook session is logged in. So you have to scroll down till the bottom of the page and then here tap on log out of all sessions and then tap on log out and wait for a few seconds and you will be logged out from all the sessions. Now go back, and now if I tap on see all, and you can see that I have logged out from all of these sessions. So this is how you can log out your Facebook from all devices. Thanks for watching.